Do you want to be a statistics ninja, capable of slicing and dicing numbers with ease? This course is the ultimate weapon in your arsenal, providing you with valuable insights and practical skills to conquer the statistics world. My name is Diogo and I'm a data and business analytics pro with years of experience in a top e-commerce company in Europe. I've also collaborated with the United Nations to increase financial inclusion in Lesotho, Africa. Now, let me tell you why this course is so special. You'll be able to apply statistical methodologies to drive growth for organizations with expert skills and tools. For example, you'll learn how Amazon uses hypothesis testing to improve customer satisfaction and profitability. So, get ready to say goodbye to boring textbook examples and hello to real-life applicable knowledge. But it's not just the lectures and theory. Oh no. We're also going to have exercises, quizzes, case studies, and practice tests to make sure you're really mastering the material. And the best part, we're going to be doing all of this using Excel, so you can start applying what you learn right away. For instance, you'll use analytics to set the optimal prices of diamonds with laser precision and accuracy. So, if you're ready to learn valuable skills in statistics and apply them in the real world, enroll in this course today. See you inside.